On the radar this afternoon, let me show you the rain that's still falling out there. It's tapering off, as you can see, on Viper. Only light rain really lingering, and we never saw really much more than light rain through most of the day today. But on the close-up view of the radar, you can see a couple of pockets of yellow down there south of Cedar Creek in Bastrop County, and over there near Lockhart. That's a little heavier downpour, but again, that's not a big deal. And as you can typically see across the area, it is winding down at the present time. Likely to come to an end tonight with just a few sprinkles remaining, but don't worry, we do have more rain on the way. We're very excited about that. It is still raining in Austin right now, as you can see live from our downtown camera view of the Capitol, and 40 acres back there. A little wet on the camera lens, isn't it? 67 degrees is the current temperature. Is that fantastic? It has been in the 60s all afternoon. Absolutely wonderful. And everywhere it's been wonderful today, temperature-wise. 67 degrees out in Burnett right now, 68 in Llano, 63 down in Fredericksburg, 68 in San Marcos, 70 in Bastrop. LaGrange is celebrating the weather today. You folks are at 68 degrees too. In Austin, we have light rain falling. It is 67 right now out at the airport. Also light rain and light fog being reported. 70 degrees at the present time with very high humidity, obviously, with the rain around. The winds are light, northeasterly at 3 at Mabry, and an east-southeast wind at 5 miles per hour at ABIA. And it'll start to get dark about 8:14 tonight. In the pollen count today, the rain's been great. It's washed most everything out of the air. Just a little mold right now at 726, and that is in the medium category. And a lot of Texas much cooler today than we've been in quite some time. Look at all these 60s from Amarillo to Midland, back down to San Antonio. Still a little warm down in the valley. The front hasn't made it yet to Brownsville, and there are some big thunderstorms down there. I've seen a couple of tornado warnings this afternoon down in the valley. No confirmed touchdowns yet. And behind the cold front, we've just seen mainly light rain. That's pretty typical behind the cold front. But the atmosphere is going to get a chance to recover tomorrow. And then guess what? A storm system right now that's actually backed up today. Look at it over here over southwest Arizona, and then watch it kind of back up down over the Tijuana area essentially right now. This upper level low is going to drop down the Baja Peninsula and then is going to turn to the east and then is going to slowly move toward Texas. It will be overhead over Austin, Texas on Friday. Now, this is only Tuesday. Friday's a ways away. That means that we're going to have several days with rain chances between now and then. That would obviously be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I think we will see a little lull in the activity tomorrow into Thursday. Our computer model winds the rain down tonight, but keeps a little bit going. On a hit-and-miss basis, you could get a shower or you could get a thunderstorm tomorrow. Then we may see a little break Thursday out ahead of the main low-pressure area, but by Thursday evening, if not earlier, we'll begin to see a large complex of storms develop back down to the southwest and then spread across the area. And this is what we may be looking at the rest of the week. Potentially another 2 to 3 inches of rain anywhere from the hill country to the metro area to our eastern counties and south of LaGrange, south of Austin, south of Blanco, 3 to 4 additional inches, and some isolated 5-inch totals will also be a possibility. And the temperatures, wonderful. There they are tonight, low 60s. Tomorrow, highs might be able to keep it in the 70s for another day. Patchy light rain still possible through the evening hours, and tomorrow mostly cloudy, and then a shower could flare up, and we're going to try to keep it at 79 tomorrow. Some places could get back to 80. And then we'll forecast 80 on Thursday and increase the chance of rain or thunderstorms to 50%, 70% chance of rain or thunderstorms on Friday, maybe some heavy rains, slight chance of a severe storm. This should be over with by Saturday morning, and then a nice weekend.